Okay, hold on. Still sending data everywhere. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, so we're live with day 6 of 100 Days of Code. For those of you who don't know, I've been streaming my 100 Days of Code. Wait. I've been streaming my journey through 100 Days of Code. And for those of you who don't know what I'm actually doing right now, let's see, what does Twitch want to say? Oh, mobile live dashboard, okay. Sorry, I've been, what was I gonna say? I can't remember what I was gonna say. Oh, I've been trying to set up Python in, what is it called? VS Code. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's what it's called. So yeah, I've been trying to work on that recently, but yeah. Okay, cool. We're live on Twitch as well. Restream is just not wanting to connect to Twitch, which is weird, but that's fine. Let me go in. I figured out how to change the title. I just don't know how to change the description on my YouTube. I don't know why. And then also add tags so people can find me. But you know, it is what it is. We're just doing it manually at this point, and it gives me time to have people come in and set up and watch and all that good stuff. Okay. Copy that. Go paste that here. You know. Save that. Take a drink of cola there because I wanted some. Excuse me. Alright, cool. So my video details are up to date in YouTube. Good to know. Let's open up the live stream now on YouTube. Let's go to Facebook. We're going to repost to my page. The reason I have to do this every single time I go live on Facebook. Yo, let me practice DDoSing. Yeah, no, please don't. That's kind of why I closed my file and all of that, so you guys don't get the bad. Yeah, I don't know much about DDoSing, so yeah. But yeah, the reason why I can't stream to my page is because I actually have to, I actually have to upgrade my Restream account to something not free, and I'm being cheap right now, and I don't want to share to page. There it is. I don't want to pay for it because even though it's only like $10 a month or something like that, but that's $10 still. Like, that's a Whataburger meal. You know what I'm saying? Because your girl likes Whataburger. So, yep. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And we are live on my page. We are live everywhere we need to be, or want to be at least. Yeah, no. Okay. Got one. Let's see, how many people do we have right now? We only have 5. That's fine. That's a good amount. I appreciate everybody. Whataburger goes hard. It sure does. I love Whataburger. Especially, like, if it's after a night of drinking. Because, you know, you get the drunchies sometimes. I had somebody tell me, call, like, oh, wow. My microphone's all the way over there. Anyways, I had somebody tell me, what was it? Oh, I'm gonna, like, it was a date or whatever, a year ago or so, maybe 2 years ago. We went out and we drank there, and then we went back to his place and we drank there. And the food, there wasn't a lot left over, right? And he goes, Yeah, I'm still gonna take this because if we get the drunchies, like, at least we'll have something to eat. I was like, yo, I'm definitely stealing that. So now I just call them drunchies, and I love it. And yeah, Whataburger is just satisfying for the soul, so, you know. Alrighty, alrighty. So let's get into it. Okay, so right now I'm working on setting up my Python file here, or my Python for VS Code. I actually I do need my phone because I do have a YouTube video I've been using. So I'll talk to you guys about what I'm actually doing in the background because I don't want to show what I'm exactly doing right now, just because, you know, privacy and shit. Because, yeah, I don't need nobody trying to DDoS me. I'm talking to you, Danny. I think that's who it was that commented on that. But, local, and then /Python, /Python 38. What the hell? Okay, so we're gonna just reinstall Python yet again. We're gonna uninstall it, then reinstall it. But for those of you who didn't tune in yesterday or who haven't tuned in recently, Abe, dude. Okay, I downloaded the freaking extension that you told me to, but it still doesn't show me, Logan. Like, I can't see what you're typing. Yeah, it was Danny who said that earlier. But yeah, so we're just downloading and setting up Python. Yesterday, I wrote a script to get the CSV. Yeah, I saw that. Good for you. I was excited for you. Oh, okay, now I see it. I see it in the in Twitch. It just doesn't show up in Restream chat. The whatchamacallit. The meme emote that you sent. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall Python, but we're gonna yeah, okay, I was talking about that. Yeah, I saw, he was pretty impressed with your not Twitter, Instagram clone. So, proud of ya. Let's see. Alright. So, I'm just going to do, nope, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to add a new folder here. We're going to call this Python. I completed it. I guess that's worth something. Hey, I mean, that's starting is like half of the battle, honestly. Like, just starting. Like, that's what I've noticed. 4 hours debugging things. Yeah, debugging is a way of life. Like, it becomes an actual process, and I absolutely love debugging. I don't know why. All you gotta do is go to CMD for me and type in ipconfig. Nice. I'm not going to do that. Amanath, hey! Yo! Hey, Amanath, what's good? Yeah, we're live on YouTube as well. So, I'm live on Facebook, in 2 places, on my personal page, or on my personal, whatchamacallit, profile, and then also on my page, The Life of Kiska, and then I'm live on live on Facebook. I already said that. I'm live on Twitch and YouTube. Not understanding React fundamentals meant I wasted a lot of time, but I learned eventually. Yeah, that, that happens. That happens a lot. So, we're running the downloader for Python in the background. Oh, by the way, guys, Python has Bootstrap. I did not know that. But, okay. Cool. Let's see. Boom. Okay, now I got Python to install. I found, apparently the path. Okay. Dope. So, apparently the path wasn't a valid path that I was trying to use. I don't know why, necessarily. It was just giving me grief. Also, no. Oh, shit. Anyways. Oh, shit. Anyways. We're gonna ignore that happened. Hey, Durav. Nothing much. I'm actually getting into Python, which is your language, man. I know, Jacob reached out to me on Instagram. And he was like, I want to see you at more Python coaching calls. I was like, yeah, I know, I need to come. I'm sorry. But I think I'm going to switch over to Python now because I'm liking backend a lot better than front end. And JavaScript is mostly front end, is what I'm realizing, slowly but surely. So, yeah. Anyways. No semicolons. Yes, yes, yes. Tab is king. Okay, the one issue I have with Python is the way that functions are grouped together and if statements. I hate it with a passion. It annoys me so badly because I'm so used to looking for the curly brace to end in actual method or function or whatever, that when I'm looking at Python, like, yes, visually, okay, I can tell, like, this is grouped together. It's just, it annoys the hell out of, annoys the hell out of me. My volume is really low. Oh, shit. Can you hear me better? What, you don't like life? I mean, it's nice, but I'd rather not use that, if you know what I mean. I don't know. But yeah. Advanced audio properties. Let me see. Is my, sound better now? Aminoth? I'll mess with it later. I don't really like going back and watching myself. It's very cringy. Oh, shut up, Logan. Oh, I'm not actually holding it. I have an arm. There's an arm here. It's on like a little thingy. Alright, so I have the YouTube video on my phone. And for everybody who sent me, whatchamacallit, like, tutorials and everything, tutorials, information, documents, I love it. I appreciate it. Yes, I know. Public static void main args. Shut the fuck up, Logan. Okay? You just gave me PTSD there. Oh, shoot. Court refuses to order Houston to host GOP gathering. Guys, Texas is so bad right now with the virus and all that. This is normal for me. It's okay. I appreciate it though, Aminoth. I've always wanted to put it behind my setup. But the way my desk is configured and I had to put it together, there's like a wooden panel back there that keeps the legs together and stable, and it attaches the legs to the top of the table, so I can't. Return 0 in your main or else bad shit. Yeah, true. I know C++, so it's kind of similar syntax-wise. Syntactically. I think that's a word. Don't quote me on that. I'm not known to English right. Anyways, I'm gonna play this YouTube video. Y'all, I'll put it next to the mic so you guys can hear it, but this is how I'm gonna be configuring Python for Windows.
Python and then Python 3.6, right? So I would just want to change the location, so I will just select the want to install Python in my C directory, so I will just remove everything from here. And then I wanted to install this Python in my C directory, and then Python, I want to make this directory Python, so I want to make this directory Python, and inside this directory, I want to install the Python, right? So C, and I'm going to just create a new directory here, a new folder here with the name Python, and then I will press enter, so this directory is created, and then inside my Python directory, this directory will be created.
Okay, I already did all this.
So I'm going to just click close, and I'm going to go to my start menu, and here I will just click on all apps. And in all apps, I can see this Python idle IDE is installed, and then Python 3.6 module docs are installed, and then Python 3.6 manual is installed, and you can see Python 3.6 command line is also installed, right? So what I will do is I will just click on this option, which is Python 3.6 64-bit, and you can see Python terminal is started, right? So I can just write
True.
hello world and then press enter, which is going to print hello world for me. One thing I want to do is I want to set my environment variable for Python. So I will go inside my Python directory, and inside my Python directory I will go inside my Python 3.6 directory, and then I will just copy this path, and then once again right click on the start menu, and then I will just go to system here, and once the system settings opens, I will just go to advanced system settings, and in the advanced system setting environment variables.
Okay. Hold on. So settings, and pull that off screen. Where? I just clicked system and it brought me to not. Oh, I clicked settings. There we go. All right. So then you go into where again?
This path, and then once again right click on the start menu, and then I will just go to system here, and once the system settings opens, I will just go to advanced system settings, and
Advanced system settings. Let's see if we can find that. Well, when in doubt, search. My friend Sean is advanced in each, and he deadass sleeps in class and gets 4.0s because they literally can't teach him anything useful in uni. That's great. I love it. I need to get back into assembly and C++, but I don't know. I understand the way things work. I just would much rather, like, actually create something, if that makes sense. Because the actual satisfaction for me in programming is creating something and debugging. And then also, like, meshing my likes. That's why I've been wanting to get into neural networks and all that. Yeah. Unless you're coding embedded systems or doing yeah, exactly. I don't really want to. Like, I don't want to do either one of those. I know that Tesla has a job open down here, though, in Austin for somebody who knows assembly, which is pretty cool. But, yeah. Advanced settings. There we go. Right? Okay, cool. So where we need to be now. So basically what I'm doing, if you guys have a PC, I have both Mac and PC, but again, for those of you who don't know, I couldn't stream from my Mac because it was only a dual core. This is a quad core, so my Mac was very upset with me the very first day of this. But yeah. So hold on, let me go on and run through this again, because I wasn't sure what he said.
In the advanced system setting environment variables, and here I'm going to add this environment variable to path, so I will.
Okay, so environment variables, we're going to add it to path.
Just select path system variable, and I will say edit.
Okay.
And I will say new, and then.
Okay, so new. Wait. Edit, then new. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get. That's why Node.js does this all for you. Okay. That makes sense. But anyways, new, paste the path. So yeah, we're pasting the path in.
Which I've copied, which is C /Python /Python 36, and then press enter, click OK, and then click OK. This is going to set my Python path in the environment variables, right? I want to open the command.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, it saved it. Okay. I can exit out of my file finder. It's Raspberry Pis and C to code. Take snapshot of his video feed and text it to his phone. Yeah, so I've been wanting to get into Raspberry Pis actually, or even Arduinos, or PIC microcontrollers. Which PIC microcontrollers are cheaper than both, but you can basically do the same thing as long as you know how to program each prong. I haven't really got too far into them, but yeah, I've been wanting to do that. So that's kind of part of the reason why I was like, maybe I should learn assembly in Python again. Or assembly again, and then continue with Python. You never know. Also, guys, those tacos I made yesterday, I'm just looking at, like, the recipe card over here. Those were really freaking good. Really good. Yeah. I think I'm gonna make some frijoles. Once I get paid, I think I'm gonna go buy, like, a whole bunch of stuff, make some frijoles throughout the day, get a big pan. You know, why not? And then just recreate that just with fresh corn and crap. Because I don't know if y'all know the brand, but it's called Every Plate. This is the recipe card that I used. But they send you, like, everything you need to make all of this here. Hold on. There we go. But, yeah, they send you everything you need to make it. And the corn that they sent wasn't fresh corn. It was canned corn, which I don't care for canned vegetables. Like, I can taste it when they're canned. Those I couldn't, which was good. But I feel as though they would taste better if it was fresh corn rather than just canned corn. But anyways, yeah, I want to make some frijoles though. I think I'm gonna put like some bacon, some what else? Maybe some chorizo. That would be good. And then some onions. I don't know. Maybe throw an avocado in there towards the end. I don't know. It would be good though. We'll find out.
Alright. Validated for Python is set successfully, so I'm going to just open the command prompt. And here I will just write Python here, and then press enter. And you can see Python 3.6.4 version is installed, and I can see the Python command line here. Okay. So once everything is set, we are ready to install Visual Studio Code. So the second thing, we are going to install Visual Studio Code. So just search for Visual Studio Code, and hopefully the first link which will appear here will be from code.visualstudio.com. So I'm going to click on this link. So you can see.
I don't need you to explain to me how to install Visual Studio.
So now with finish, we're going to start. And if you're not familiar with Visual Studio Code, here is where you will edit your file. So when you click on this option, you will be able to open any folder of your choice, or you can create a new folder. This is the search option. So if you want to search inside a folder, some files or some words, you can search using this, for example, version control on this last option. And here, search for Python. Okay, so search for Python. Most probably the first result which will appear here will be Python option. And you can see around 6 million downloads of this Python extension has been done till now. So this is from Microsoft. So this is the official Python extension.
All right. Oh, now it's going to open like 4 Visual Studios because I was impatient and I clicked it like 5 times. It's okay. Excuse me. Yeah, that's fine. You're not me. I don't expect you to. I watch everything on double speed. I get bored if I watch things on single speed, and I think that's why I don't watch, like, when I watch TV, I have to be doing something else at the same time because I can't sit there and listen to the TV at normal speed, I think. I don't know. Whatever. Google Weird Champ. Okay, hold on. Let me open up a new window here. Or not. Let me just open up a new tab. Whatever. Hey! What's good, Max? How are you? What was I gonna search up? Oh, Weird Champ is what you said. That's how you spell weird? Yeah. Oh, Logan, I hate you. I hate you. Okay, so I think I already have the extension installed, Python. Let's see. Yep, I do. Okay, cool.
extension from Microsoft. So we're going to install this. So just click on this install option, which is going to install this extension on your Visual Studio Code. And once this extension is installed on your Visual Studio Code editor, you need to reload your Visual Studio Code. So you can see this option, it says reload. So just click on that option, and then it's going to reload your Visual Studio Code. So now Visual Studio Code is reloaded, and now this Python extension is installed on our system. So now let's create a Python folder on our desktop, let's say, and then we are going to open this folder. So I'm going to create a Python.
Google Fi, a phone plan by Google. It's easy to switch to Fi from the comfort of your home.
Shut up.
Folder on my desktop, Python, right? And then I'm going to open this folder using this open folder option, and I want to navigate to desktop and then Python and then select folder. So this folder will be opened in my Visual Studio Code editor. Okay. So once this opens, we're going to just create a new Python file. So I'm going to just click on this option, which says new file, or you can right click and then say new file here, and then I'm going to just say hello.py, which is the extension for Python, right? Which is going to tell Visual Studio Code that it's a
Okay, IntelliCode Python supports requires you use the Microsoft Paint. Enable it and reload window. Why are you asking me? Just do it. Okay, so new file. Let's say make CSV tweets. Ah! Are you done? Oh, and of course she deleted. I have autosave. Ay. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, so make CSV tweets. And let's go into, I forgot the .py, rename .py. Alright, let's go into REPL.it. Are you in the COVID tracker challenge? Kind of. I've kind of stopped working on my COVID tracker. I have it mostly complete. Let me bring it up, actually. I want to go to GitHub. Give me a second. I'll bring it up. COVID tracker. I'm trying to find, I don't have the actual link. It's not mobile responsive, and I also haven't made it to where the graphs change with everything that you open, but this is how mine looks so far. So yeah, pretty nice, you know, here. You can search by your country. So say you search for USA. Forgot, it's an on-click, not a key down. You have everything here. It just doesn't change on the buttons, and then also it doesn't change here either on the graph or here, which I'm sure I could figure out, but maybe I will steal some functionality. Yeah, go for it. I mean, mine's not mobile responsive, so that already puts me out of the, whatchamacallit? Nope, forward. That already puts me out of the competition, and I really don't even want to worry about making it mobile responsive. Like, saying that I was able to do this. It's just a desktop version. But you see, when it smushes down, this doesn't wrap around to the bottom. So, is what it is, but it'll stay. It's pretty mobile responsive. It's not terrible, but it's not the best either. But anyways, yep. I spent too long on the UI of it. I feel like the UI and the color scheme was what really got me. Oh, thank you. You just use data visualization. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, honestly. Oh, should I? It should wrap where these go down here, under the, actually under the map, I guess. Actually, I would like them above the map. Right here. I don't really use Bootstrap too much. I'm not really a front-end type of person. Just put it that way. I'd much rather be working on something back end. Two columns. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So should I have not made this 2 columns? I haven't really looked at any of Naz's coaching calls recently, so maybe I need to just revisit them. Because, yeah, that's a column there, and that's a column there. So, wait, column. But anyways, that's what I have so far. I do have another color palette that I was going to use. It was blue. I don't have Slack installed on here, or else I'd show you. It was blue. It's a real nice, like, color palette, and then I was going to do the blue and the, like, grays and light grays. But yeah, it's nice for now with a large display, but what you need to do is hide that column on a small display. I need to wrap it. Oh, okay, cool. Then yeah, that's what I need to do. But honestly, it's interesting, but it's not interesting enough for me to spend all day perfecting it. You know what I mean? I need to, but I'm more interested in this right now, than that, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna bring up my Twitter dev account in the background and get my keys because I didn't update them yesterday in my REPL. I'm also gonna bring up my REPL.it. I don't care. I don't need you to do that. Anyways, sorry. I'm just getting sassy with my computer and with functionalities. Alright, so yes, my consumer keys and all that are here for Twitter, but they're not the right ones. They don't actually work because I regenerated them last night after showing people what I did. About where? I don't like Twitter's UI. I can link you the code for my Bootstrap site and you'll see. Okay, cool. Yeah, that would be great if you could, because I'll be honest with you, I'm just a little bit too lazy to do it right now. It's good enough for me, so I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it, and that's all that matters right now. But yeah, I was thinking of participating in the actual challenge itself, but this is really interesting to me. The whole AI, natural language processing, and all of that, and making everything. So, that being said, I kind of wanted to stick with this. Because why not? Also, we need to have a meeting, Logan. We need a Scrum meeting. There's so much going on in Sepia. Exactly. There's so much going on, and there's so much information that, I'll be honest with you, like, I love how much information that they're giving us. Which, by the way, y'all, if you want to join the course, link is in my YouTube description. But I love how much information they give us and how many real world applications that they give us, but sometimes it's too overwhelming for me. And I can't actually, like, follow, if that makes sense. It's too much. And I'm the type of person that I'm indecisive. So once I decide I'm going to work on something, I'm like, okay, let's do it. Let's do that. Okay, why is it giving me an error for Tweepy? Unresolved. Whatever. We're just gonna run with it. Alright. Let's run this. Wait. Compile, actually. Open view. Terminal. There we go. That's what I want. Problems. It's not an error, so it should be fine. Output. Run active file. Okay, I don't think that actually did anything. It might not do anything because I have this one stupid little error. Do. I want the terminal. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted to do. No, okay, whatever. Run task. No. That should work now. Why are you not creating a CSV? You did it in REPL.it. User error probably, honestly. Because let's run the REPL.it. Oh wait, it's gonna give me an error because my keys aren't right. Okay. Yeah. New window. Bring that new window over here. Okay. Let's see. Getting started. Let's just look at that. Import Tweepy. Okay. And why are you giving me an error? Whatever. You'll get over it. Alright, yeah, I'm good. There. Sorry, I'm being a dummy right now, and I am like actually just trying to run my code. And there it is, the little button in the top left corner, or right corner, where I can't see it. Okay. It's giving me an error when I try to import Tweepy. So let me show you guys what's happening over here. So if you can see, no module named Tweepy. So why is it error when importing Tweepy? Let's see. Okay, whatever. I bet it's because I'm running Python 3.8 and it doesn't support 3.8. Because it didn't support 2.7 or 3.7, so now I'm assuming it doesn't support 3.8. Oh my god. Let me see. Tweepy, Python, 3.8. How's everybody doing? What are you doing? What goes on? I'm just trying to figure out all of this. Okay, so no. It's supported. Let's go to their Discord because I'm sure I'll be able to get answers. Okay, dope. Building weather website API. First time working with APIs. APIs are fun, dude. I love APIs a lot. You should talk to David. David loves APIs just as much, if not more, than he loves Apple. And you can tell him I said that because he will probably laugh because he knows it's true. Anyways, so let's see. Let me just copy and paste my error into the search bar. Because why not? Oh. I guess I'm not used. That would make sense. That would make a lot of sense. I'm not used to Python, so let me go this way. I'm gonna probably have to delete user, but we'll see. I'm sick for 2 days now, and yesterday was sleeping the whole day. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hate being sick. Being sick is literally the worst thing ever. Gives me an excuse to get drunk, though, to be honest with you, because I drink hot toddies when I'm sick, and I just, like, bundle up and I sweat everything out. Really good way to drink and just get better. Hot toddies are good, though. Anyways, now it should run. Let's see. Oh. It wasn't ready. She wasn't ready. Anyways. Okay, cool. Now we have them. Now we have a CSV. And this should be the proper CSV. Yep, these are the proper CSVs. This is the only one with a link, which is good. But why is it... Excuse me. Let's see. The lame stream media isn't talking about what is happening with the stock market. Oh my god. Hello, I'm doing great. I'm good, I'm good. I've kind of... What was I doing earlier today? I was having a kind of sleep inertia. Didn't really get started as early as I wanted to. Ate, drank food, and then I planted some seeds, and those are outside for flowers and stuff. Yeah, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you could make it for making automatic API on my dreams. LOL. I love that. If only we could do that. Go contact Elon Musk, because I'm more than sure once they put that chip in people's brains, you'll be able to make an API accessing memory and stuff. Loopholes. Because why not? Anyways, let's take a look here. Okay. So it's saying that there's an error. Char map can't encode character and position. Chill. Sorry, Odin's getting a little bit antsy, I guess, is the best word for that. So I'm gonna pull this up back into my second screen so I can actually debug this properly. So it's looks like char map can't handle a certain type of character, which is / that. Okay, so let's say Unicode code encode error. Let's take a look here. Let's search this error. Because why not? When in doubt, Google it out. I'm sorry. Because, yep, we have the tweet mode set to, what is it? Extended. So we should be good there. Okay. All right. All right, cool. So for tweets and public tweets, okay, so it's going to be in our while loop because we're using a while. Oh, so here's my thing when it comes to Python and the whole curly bracket situation is curly brackets actually help me be able to find the beginning and the end of certain functions and certain loops and all of that. This indentation shit just doesn't allow for readability for me, just because that's the way I've been programmed to look for beginning and ends of code, you know? 12, yeah. You can Google Yahoo. Yep, exactly. But I'm glad I didn't start too early, because, yeah, I'm glad you were able to make it. But anyways, let's see. So, tweet.text.encode. We need the .encode copy. So wherever we have our tweets. Alright. So we don't need that. New tweets. Assign user timeline. Okay. So it should be after that. Extend all tweets dot extend tweet dot text. So it's gonna be tweet dot full for me. Full name or full text. Yeah. So there it is. Dot out tweet. So we're gonna put dot encode on that. Ah, crap. I didn't mean to do it there. And my computer is freezing up. This is why I bought a new computer, y'all. So Okay, so then we're gonna put this in open close parentheses. Oh, what? She's over there sighing. I have not seen Ruby code. Okay, cool. That should work now. Let's see. Alright, I can bring this back into the other screen. Let's see. Hold on. Let me... oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, whatever. How is it out of range, though? And why are you guys... why is Visual Studio giving me all of this trouble when... REPL.it didn't? Okay, so now it doesn't look like it's giving me trouble. It's not giving me trouble now, guys. What the fuck? Hold on. I'm trying to resize this, since it's not letting me do it on the other screen. Or it's just being a bitch about it. Sorry, I'm sassy today. Oh shoot, I think it's working now. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at all those chickens. Ay, ay, ay. So let me run it one more time just to make sure it actually is working and I didn't break it. Am I like just continuously adding on to this file? I probably am, aren't I? Oh no, I'm not. Cool. It's just rewriting it every single time. That makes sense. But anyways, let's find out. So, okay. So, here's my thing. We only get 400 in that one, but in our REPL, we get a lot more. We get, what, like 2,000? 4,000? 5,000? Something like that? Yeah, 4,035 lines in our REPL. So I don't know what's happening here. So what it is it's short-circuiting here, I think. I'm going to just add TST there, just to see if it's actually short-circuiting. Alright, so I'm wondering, let me check REPL. 4.5 is the last one that we got, and this is 7.4. So why is REPL? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of this, we're going to copy this, and we're going to go paste this into REPL, because I might just end up using REPL, because this is annoying as hell. Oh, you know what? I think it's this encode right here. I think that's what's happening. Let's do that real quick. I think adding that broke my code. But if I don't do that, it can't read this character. So let me see. Maybe... what happens if I remove it in the REPL? Because without it, we got 601 responses in REPL. With it, in REPL, or without it in REPL, we get 493. What the hell? I'm going to delete that TST as well. So I'm just going to leave it with it in both files. It could be because of the size. I don't know. Let's see. So in REPL, what? The hell is going on here? What the hell is actually going on? So now I get it working in REPL for 1,598 tweets, but over here, one tweet. One. But then, if I run it again, 200. Then if I run it again, 201. Oh, now you're wanting to work because I'm shit talking you. Well, F you too then. You know what? We're going to go on and leave this because it looks like we now have all the responses that I want, or that I wanted. And it ran till completion. So if somebody knows why that happened, please let me know. Because now I have 4,395 responses when I didn't have that earlier. So yeah, if anybody knows why that happened, please let me know. Yeah, but we're just gonna roll with it, and then now we're going to go on and let's see, clean up our data so we can feed this into the machine learning model. So basically, from each entry, we need to cut off that. Then, to top it off, if there's anything like this, we need to cut it off as well. Anything with backslashes as well. And it looks like there's a good amount of that. So, now, that being said, we're going to go take a look into Beautifulsoup and Pandas. I've never used either, but Jacob did recommend it to me yesterday this morning when I was talking to him. So yeah, let's do that, and then Pandas. Alright, cool. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna go run to the bathroom. I will be right back. Okay. And I am back. Cool. Sorry, I just had to pee. Really bad. So, anyways. Let's see. Okay. So you can use an HTML parser to understand text. Oh, this is cool. So you can extract URLs, which is actually something I know I'm going to need to do. But the thing is it's not... It's not what exactly I need, if that makes sense. Yeah. Great choice. That is a pretty powerful tool for scraping in Python. Beautifulsoup, right? It came recommended to me by Jacob. If you don't know him, he's actually one of the teachers in the Profit with Python courses. I don't know his last name. Let's see. Let me take a look here. Wolitsky, I think it is. Wollitzki. He's one of the teachers in the Python course that I'm in as well. I'm in Python and JavaScript. So I don't quite need HTML. Pandas was the other one he recommended. I need to clean up my data because I do have a CSV file now that we created from the make CSV Trump tweets. So now we have a CSV. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean this up to run it through a machine learning model, because if I run this through a machine learning model, it's not going to understand what's what's going on like here. You know what I mean? They're not going to understand the ats. They're not going to understand this. Or this here. So I need to go through. This is, I think, because of the encoding, the backslashes here, the encoding I had to do. So it was characters that CSV didn't quite understand because I'm using the CSV library here to make a CSV file from a Twitter API call, which, you know, it is what it is, but it is something I can do. Now, I wonder, I have an idea now. What if I made a scraper, a web scraper, to just do this? What if I just scraped? I'm wadney wet. But, what if I used Beautifulsoup to just scrape all the tweet text from this, rather than just using a Twitter API call? That might be better in the long run, because Twitter API calls are going to get kind of expensive. Because right now it's in Sandlot, so, you know, I'm not really getting charged, I don't think. But, let's see. Let's see how this is all put into HTML. Let's see. They might have it to where you can't do that, to be honest with you, because I wouldn't be surprised. No, I want this here. Span class. Ah. Okay. So I'm going to have to look at the span and the class. Are all the CSS the same? R1QXHA ADZ. Oh, okay. Okay, so no, now I might be able to use Beautifulsoup for this. Why not? Why the hell not? Let's see if we can actually do this. Because if so, this is going to be Beautifulsoup scraper tweets. Because this would be more, this would be better on the whatchamacallit front. Scalability front. I'm always thinking ahead, y'all. By the way, if y'all want to follow me on Twitter, go for it. I hardly ever tweet. I think it's Sanchez Kiska. Yep, there's my Twitter handle, Sanchez Kiska. So go follow me on Twitter if you want. You don't have to, but you can if you want. Let's see. Oh. Wow, California's shutting down again. Interesting. I wonder if Texas will too. Probably not, because our governor does not give a crap about us. But you didn't hear that from me, boys and girls. Even though I'm on, like, live. Okay, so I know the class that I need to target. So let's go up. Let's look at the docs here. First of all, let me go on and install. Excuse me. Install Beautifulsoup. Python 3. Alright, so let's try to just go on and install this now. Ah, crap. Can I not copy and paste into Command Shell? Oh no, I can. Command Shell, PowerShell. That's what I meant. Alright, so it's going to download here. And I just noticed this. This is interesting because that's how Mac is set up on the OS, is if you save anything to your desktop, it gets saved to your cloud storage. And I have never known PCs to do that as well. So that's interesting that it actually would save it to the cloud instead. So I guess they're taking one from Apple's playbook and forcing you to use up all your cloud memory, so you have to buy some more. But, you know, that's neither here and there, and none of my business. Okay. Alright, then we're going to do pip install. Or, let's just do easy install, because I'm feeling scandalous. I'm not sorry, by the way. There we go. Cool. So now, Beautifulsoup. I don't know if that's how you even do that. Let me check. Okay. Let's see. So I want import BS4. That's what I want, I think. So HTML doc, simple ways. I'm gonna have to use this too in a second. Yeah. So what happens if I run this? Doesn't give me an error, so we're not going to worry about it. I don't know if that's a good thing to do or not, but it's the way I'm gonna do it. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, HTML doc. I didn't mean to do that. So let's take a look here. Let's go Control C. We're going to take a look at this here. So HTML doc is this here. Which is all of this. So I want to scrape from an actual website. So let's see. Okay, send an HTTP request. So let's go take a look at Geeks for Geeks. Guys, this is like how to be a programmer 101. Just Google. Like, really, Google. Google is your best friend. But make sure you understand what's going on. Okay? Alright, so I have Beautifulsoup installed because we just did that. So we need to do request an HTML5 lib. Lib. Yeah, this computer is hella slow. I'm gonna have to download that C drive cleaner that David had me install a while back. I'm just gonna have to do it again. Yeah, so we already have a CSV file made, and we have all the data. But I'm thinking about it now. Using this, the Twitter API call from here, it might get kind of expensive because, you know, Twitter and most other places do charge to utilize their services, their API services, especially just because, you know, they can, and why not? I mean, it is data after all. It's SaaS, you know? So that being said, I'm seeing if what I can do is, instead of going that route from the API, is actually just scraping the data from the Twitter page itself. Okay. So what would happen if we parse website JRL? Or I'm assuming you meant URL. Making, ooh, that is a good question. I didn't, so here's the thing, James, I'm new to Python, so I didn't know you could even do that. So let me see how you can do that. Why not? Parse URL Python. That's interesting. I think it just had that, hold on. I'm gonna go back because I don't know if you saw what I saw just a second ago. You see this here? Is that what you're talking about, James? Oh wait, I thought that was parse. I didn't read it well. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this one open. Okay, so that is what you were talking about. Cool. So, cool. That's what I thought you were talking about because I just saw it when I, like, clicked off. So, first of all, I'm gonna print that there. I'm going to comment this out for now. Let me do this as well. Let me do install HTML5 library. This is another thing too that I like about live streaming all of this, is because y'all give me ideas that I might not necessarily have known about until you told me or you said something. Like, Of course, I brought this docs up, but sometimes there's an easier way of doing it. I always say there's more than one way to skin a cat. So that being said, you know, yes, BS4 is installed. I installed it just a second ago. Why? I didn't ask you to start a live share for me. Thank you. Where did I install it? I installed here. Easy install Beautifulsoup 4 right there. Should I go on and do pip Beautifulsoup? I don't think it's necessary because it was telling me here that I could do either command and it would work all the same. I do too. I like chatting with people a lot. Yeah. I mean, it installed with this, so we should be good. Alright. So, we have this. And our URL that we want is this here. Also, guys, as long as Twitter doesn't, or Donald Trump doesn't block me, I can always do this, like, in real time, every day, if I wanted to. Oh, shoot, he won't block me until he actually knows what we're doing. I'm more than sure they'll block me then, whether it's him or his team. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh wow, we've already been live for an hour. Nice. Dang, I'm at a total of 200 views, or 199. That's great. I love it. On Twitch, at least. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, jeez. I did not expect that. But okay. We're sitting pretty now, boys and girls. That's exactly what I needed it to do. Alright. My computer is, like, hating me right now. Parsed in one parameter into your scraping. Yeah. I just wanted to see what it would do. So, now here we are. It's just all parsed into one parameter that we printed here. Let's see. I want to see what that brings up. It's gonna take it a second though, because my computer is angry with me right now. Okay. Whatever. Or don't run for me, whatever. Open. I'm using OBS right now. It's kind of... Oh, no wonder why it wasn't opening. I'm using OBS. It's kind of CPU intensive. So that's probably why everything's happening right now. Oh. Okay, I see. Cool. Good to know. So now let's go back to Twitter. Because, yes, I want to close all tabs. I don't even want you open Internet Explorer. Okay? Let's get that straight. Nobody wants you. Wait, is it the right URL? Yes, and it's just Donald Trump, yeah. Cool. So now let's go all the way up. Let's take a look at this here. Twitch Studio. I haven't tried Twitch Studio, but personally, I'm streaming. Okay, so there's a couple of reasons why I use OBS. So the camera I'm using currently is a knockoff GoPro. I wish I could show it to you, but it's a knockoff GoPro. Basically, oh, I have an idea. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but that's kind of how I'm running it right now. That's a knockoff. It's my knockoff GoPro that I bought last year. I think I bought it last year for YouTube, and I never used it. But it has like 4K, 1080p, 720. It can do a lot. But the image quality and the video aren't like, the image is pretty good. Like, it's sharp, it's everything, like, it's all you need. It's just that the coloring and the coloration isn't very good just by itself. So I didn't know if Twitch was able to change that. And then also, I'm using I'm using OBS to stream to like 3 places. I'm streaming to Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. I have noticed the past few days though that I get most of my audience on Twitch. So far, like, I do have a decent amount of people coming in from Facebook, but it's kind of a fast click-through rate. They're on and then they're off. They're on, then they're off, which is fine. I understand. You don't want to watch like this all the time while you're on Twitter, or not Twitter, sorry, Facebook, which I get. But yeah, I don't know. I can't remember where I was going. Oh, I haven't tried Twitch Studio. So maybe it's something I'll look into a little bit later. But yeah. So I don't know how I want to do this because it doesn't look like every tweet is the same class or the same span element. Command, let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just Command V this, or Command F this, and see how many places. So 151 places. So let's go through and see. Okay, so basically, okay, there has to be an easier way to pull out the actual text from this. There isn't. That's fine. Is each one a span element, though? Span, class, assign, quote, Control V, and then end that. Well, none of them are that. Let's go back home. Yeah, I think Facebook, the people are just starting to get annoyed with it. And yeah, they just don't want to use it anymore. No clue why, but whatever. But why does it return that there's 0 when I'm definitely looking at one right now? Is it because I can't search for the actual span itself? Oh, wait. Can I just do class? Will it find it then? Okay, so, you know, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this. YouTube is number 2. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. Okay. So this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to go here, I think. Let's just copy this. Let's copy and paste this and see what this does. Because why not? This is all about learning. So let's break our damn code and then fix it. Use find number of the class. I'm thinking that might be what I have to do. Let me import Beautifulsoup as well because that's gonna yell at me. Oh wait. I'm a dummy. Let's see. Alright. So let's see what that returned. A whole bunch of crap. So let's figure out what this all means. Okay. Something went wrong, but don't fret, let's give it another shot. Ah, okay. So I know I don't want content. I want text, but I don't want, so HTML parser. Let's try this. And instead of HTML doc, we're going to say R. Let's run it. Let's see. Twitch is number 32 most used. I think that's going to jump up pretty soon. Okay. So it gave me an issue. It gave me an error. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright. Alright. And it's because I didn't do this. Okay, so it says that it has no length. Why? So that shouldn't be R, now should it? Hold on, let me go back here. Let me see. I'm trying to combine both of these and it's not gonna work. I don't think it will. So let's just follow this through and then let's figure out where we need to go from here, if that makes sense. Let's do this with the data that we have, figure it out with the data that we have, and then, or figure out this tutorial with the data that we have, and then make it to where it returns what I need it to. Because this r.content, I don't think that's what I need. I don't think I need content. I think I need well, I do need content. I don't need descendant strings. Ay, ay, ay. What do I think the most used website is? It has something to do with males and females having relations on the internet. I'm sure you can read in between the lines, and that's what I think. If you get what I'm putting down. I don't want to be too vulgar on on here. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this works. It should. No. For row and table. Okay. Has no attribute. Find all. Oh, I need to import CSV now as well. I'm wrong. What's the #1 most used website? I kind of figured, but I wasn't 100% sure. Oh, shoot. All right. So we didn't take care of anything. So for row, attribute none, has no attribute, find all. Ah, ha, ha. Look at you, James, coming through with the info. Shoot, I appreciate it. Okay. See, the response request made to URL. This response is an HTML page. We will convert this HTML response into a Beautifulsoup object and extract the tweets. Perfect. I love how this is... Oh, Google. Duh. I love how this is actually explaining what you're doing. So if you scroll down the page to load more tweets, you will see more requests being sent where the response is not simple HTML, but it's a JSON. Okay, extract tweets from HTML content. First, inspect the tweet element. You will see all the tweets are enclosed in a list. Are they? How did I miss that? Hold on. Let me exit out of this. Oh, and also, y'all, I started a Discord server. It's the Life of Kiska. If y'all want to join it, feel free. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm post as of right now when I'm going to go live. So, yeah, feel free to join it if you would like. Alright, so it looks like... No. Haha. It's this here. I think it's all that, right? Is it just that one? I think it's just that one. Where is it? Donald J. Trump tweets. So it starts with the div. They might have updated it, but let's try it with this tutorial. That's fine. Actual tweet text is inside a p tag, which is the descendant of the li tag. And first, to get all the li tags, then the p tags from each li tag. Text contained in the p tag is what we need. Makes sense? Okay. I'm just going to copy all this, and we're going to just paste it all up in here. Alright. So, import... Whoa! That is dope. I did not know you could do that. This is going to be powerful, actually. This is going to be really powerful for what I'm doing. Because I know that the other people I'm working with, they're probably going to primarily code in JavaScript because that's what they're comfortable in. So if they can convert it to a JSON to communicate it with the backend. Oh, crap. Sorry. That will be great. And much needed. Jesus. Alright. I'm just emailing this to myself real quick. Okay, compose. Sorry, y'all, my computer is running pretty slow. I'm trying to do a couple of things, so I know people are chatting, or I see, like, the notification that I have a chat message. I just, as you can tell, it's not responding. So, the more I use this computer, the more that it just, the slower it gets. Just put it that way. This is annoying. Okay. Discord is a number 197. Nice. Amazing that new. Not quite sure what you mean by that, James. Sorry, sometimes I'm like 2 and you gotta explain things to me. I don't know why. Okay, cool. Sorry, I had to email that link to myself so I could share it with my team. Because I know that we're going to need to use this at some point. Because if you can... I'm more than sure there's somehow, some way you can actually... What is it? Convert Python into JSON and then JSON into Python, maybe? I don't know. But anyways, I'm sure that there's some way that we can get all of this done and fix it. This is my little cactus. I just replanted him today, but I'm just taking a look at him. I saw like a little weird spot on him, but he looks healthy so far from what I've seen, except like, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like, let's see. It's this one, this leaf right here. Odin took a bite out of it. I don't understand. I don't understand. I got cacti because I thought, because I do have this one. Sorry. I have this one that they dropped on its head, so now it's smushed on one side, which I got really upset with them. But it still looks fine. Like, it looks healthy other than that. And there's no, like, decay or anything on it. Because it fell literally, like, right on its head, which I felt really bad about. But I got cacti so my cats wouldn't eat them because they ate my succulents. And the one that they dug up out of the pot, like, they dug this succulent up out of the pot and literally, like, chewed on the roots, chewed on the leaves. The one they did that to, it hasn't died yet. I mean, it's outside, so they don't chew on it, but it has yet to die. So that one's fine, but I had, like, 3 other ones that they chewed up, they ate, and now I don't have them. So I got cacti thinking that they wouldn't do that, and then I saw that bite in that one. I'm like, either he did that and found out it was a terrible idea and has never done it again, or he's just sadistic and does it when he just wants to feel some pain, which he's a cat, so maybe. I love him, but maybe. Okay, please use the below command to use the script, Python script, Twitter username. Okay. username, get username. Alright, so let's do it. Let's see if we can actually use this now. Ah, crap, I forgot. Tweets.py, and then the username is real Donald Trump, right? Yeah. Let me just copy it. Let's see if this works. Oh, my camera died. Give me a second. Man, I guess I average about a hour and 45 minutes on each battery, which is pretty good. I thought it was like an hour. It must be that I just charge them up. I didn't have them charged as much. Okay, so it definitely did something. I'm not 100% sure what it did. Let me check it out real quick after I... It's my fault. I should have checked what the actual script was doing. Rather than just copying and pasting it. But, I mean, you know. Alright, cool. And we're back. Response.text. Okay. Find div class error page top bar print error invalid username. Tweets get tweets data username, comma soup. So it says that I have 4 problems, which, I mean, I have more problems than that personally, but whatever. Ba-boom. I mean, they're not errors, because errors would be this. So it's just warnings, so whatever. Terminal. Oh. True. Let me see. Code to start with. Kiska. We will start with the start function. First, collect the username from the command line, then send the request to the Twitter page. If no exception in status code response is 200, of course, it'll proceed. Otherwise, exit. Convert response into Beautifulsoup object. See if there's a div tag with the class error page, which that makes sense. Status return will be check status code. Extract text tweet. So here it says define, so this is a function, tweets list, okay. So tweets.soup.find all list data type tweet. For tweet and tweets, tweet data, assign none, try, tweet data. What is the try function in Python? Because I haven't encountered that before. Oh, okay, it tests for errors. Got it. Makes sense. If tweet data, okay, tweets append list. Got it. Return tweet list. Define tweets dot. Okay, cool. So let's add this to our code. Tweets list. You're assigning a list. You're creating a list. Then extend, which I'm sure is kind of similar to push. Yeah, Okay, cool. So, it does exactly what I thought it did. I just wanted to be sure because, you know how they spell assume. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so thank you, Mighty Core. So in, what is it? JavaScript. In JavaScript, there's a function called dot push, and it has the same effect. So what is the problem? Oh. This all should be indented, right? Yeah. Cool. Got it. As discussed, we will... okay, so first let's go on and run this. Because why not? Cool. Concat. Okay. Makes sense. Concat, push. I guess push is a single element only. Yeah. Anyways. You got what I put. Yeah. You got what I was putting down. First find we keep printing a dot every time a tweet is scraped successfully to show the progress. Otherwise, the user may think that nothing is done. Alright. So, get tweet text. We're inputting tweet, which is what we defined up here somewhere for tweet and tweets. So yeah, it's the data type here. Tweet text box, tweet find p, class, tweet size, okay. Images, makes sense. I'm looking for images in it, because here we're finding a p tag, here we're finding an a tag. Tweet text box dot text, okay. Now we're finding the text in the tweet box for image and tweet tag, and images tweet tag. Tweet text, assign tweet tag dot replace image and tweet tag dot text. Cool. That makes sense. Okay, yeah, that makes sense too. Okay, sometimes we have images inside tweets. We will discard those images as of now. We do this by getting images and image tags inside tweets and replacing the image text by an empty string, which is exactly what I need. So I don't need tweet text right now. And we're going to, there we go, do that. And let's run this code again because I'm a freak like that and I like to run it anytime I update code. Hey, Abdullah, what's good? I'm actually, so currently, Abdullah, oh, sorry, I gotta stretch again. Oh, wow, we've almost been going for 2 hours. So what I did is I had a CSV. I already have a CSV of a whole bunch of tweets I received from a Twitter API call. And I made a CSV file out of all of them. And I was going to beautify this, or what is it? Process, I guess, is what it was called. Data, yeah, cleaning. I was going to clean this data up and remove this, but then I realized, okay, I'm going to also have to search for encoding, HTML encoding errors, which I don't really want to do. I feel like that's going to be more work. And then to top it off, it's going to cost for Twitter API calls in the long run. So if this, say for instance, we start this and it does, get used a lot by people, then it's going to cost on our end. And, I don't want to do that. So instead, I figured, why don't I create a HTML scraper for Twitter instead? Because this will be cheaper in the long run than this here. So, yeah. All right, so far we're good. So scraping more tweets. So far we were able to get tweets from a first page. Also, I found out Python can use JSON data, which is pretty cool. So far we were able to get tweets from our first page. As we load more, when scrolling down, we get a JSON response, which needs to we need to parse the JSON response, which is slightly different. Okay, so then this is replacing what was up here. Yeah. I mean, we're adding something. I think we're appending something, but hold on. I don't think we're actually like changing or like making a new function. We're just appending a function. Yep, figured I'd just get you caught up real quick. I appreciate you tuning in. Alright, so we're gonna paste that there. And, okay, we don't have to tab or to indent. Well, true. None, try. Okay. Let's just look at this in the browser because I don't want to look at it in VS Code. So next pointer, soup.find div class, stream container, data min position, while true. Okay, try this. Next response.text. Aminoth. Ah, okay, what were you guys working on? Do you care to share, or are you able to share? If you can, I understand. Yeah, Aminoth was in... Ah, okay, look at you guys being sneaky. Okay. Is it about data visualization? Because that's actually something he's working on for this project as well. But yeah, Aminoth joined in the beginning of the call, actually. He was on YouTube. I was like, oh, thanks, Aminoth. I appreciate you. I had a little pimple right here. I keep wanting to pick at it. Anyways, tweets, object, JSON load. If not tweets, object has more items, and not tweets, object minimum position uses checks here because in one case had more items, was false, but there were more items. Okay, makes sense. Next pointer, this here. Okay, cool. First we checked. Ah, okay. Nice. First we checked if there are more tweets. If yes, then the next pointer. Okay, once JSON is received, we will take out the items HTML part and repeat the process of creating soup and fetching tweets. We will keep doing this until there are no more tweets to scrape. We know this by looking at the variable has more items and minimum position in JSON response. So that means, guys, that we can get all 50,000 tweets he has, I think it is. I don't know where you see that, but I think he has like 50,000 tweets. Somewhere. I don't know how you check that, but yeah, I think he has like, oh, right here, 53,600 tweets. Okay. So, why did I have this open? Oh, that was when I was checking to see what .extend did. Complete the script. Now all functions are completed. Let's put them together. Oh, I could have just downloaded it from GitHub. That's fine. I'll take a look at it. I didn't need to do that. Downloading tweets. Got it. Dumping data. You might want to dump the data and text file. I prefer dumping data in JSON format. Okay. So let's take a look. Oh geez. Tweet scraper. Alright. So this is what we were just working on. So let's take a look. We're going to close that. We're going to take a look here. I don't know why I did it this way. I typically do it side by side rather than stacked, but whatever. Here we are. Alright, so I just want to make sure my code lines up with theirs. I mean, it should just because I copied and pasted, but I do want to make sure. Because, yeah. Okay, so that was our catch statement. I don't think this is the right one anyways. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is, but... What the fuck? Oh, okay, so they put this... They have their functions rearranged differently. Jesus Christ. Sorry, somebody just turned on their music and it was really loud. Like to the point where it shook my floor. Like I could feel the bass. Okay, so we're gonna do that under usage, right? Yeah. I'm gonna delete that. There we go. Get this page tweets. Get this page tweets. Get tweets data. Get tweets data. Why do we have that defined twice? Okay. Let's see, what happens if we run this? Does it still work? There was a reason it wasn't working. Something's not working here. It's probably because of the place that I have my start. So what I'm gonna do is, can I just... Let me do this. It's because I don't call my start. Kiska, you're an idiot. Okay, so somewhat worked. Raise, feature not found. Couldn't find a tree builder with the features requested. LMX. Do you need install a parser library? Probably. Yep, I definitely do need to install that. But, what? Cool. Command C. After this installs, then we'll run it and we'll see if that works. If it works, I think I'm going to hop off. If not, I'll debug and then I'll hop off after that. It's like a good little stopping point. I mean, I know I didn't do much today. I kind of wanted to clean up my data in order to use it. But the thing is like, if I found a better way of doing this, really James helped me find a better way of doing this. But there was a better way and I figured why not do the better way? Okay. So I like how they tell you though, like the trace back. I like how they trace where the error is. Name get this page tweets is not defined. It should be. Get tweets data, start, get username, get tweet text. I guess it's not. I must have missed something. Which, looky there, boys and girls. Okay. Now it should work. And what I'm going to do later on is I'm going to go back through and I'll probably trace this code with pen and paper just to understand what's going on. Okay. So, kind of worked. That's what they meant. I don't like how they said dump it into a data file. I don't like that, but okay, whatever. That's just me being picky at this point. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this works. I didn't call the freaking Kiska. Okay, so where do they have this? Let's add that to our start file, or start function. Alright, so that should work. This should work if I add it there, right? Because system exit 1. Yes, cool. Wait. Right after. Or actually, because I copied that as well, I can just paste it right on top of it. There we go. No, that's not a part of the if. So we're going to backspace that. Okay, now try it. Okay, cool. So boom. We got a Twitter, but we got null responded. So that's fine. It's because we got an error. So there's something wrong. Type of object type none type has no length. Let's go search Google. Because why not? Okay, yeah, cool. But what does it actually do? Okay, no. Okay, so there's an error here. What's actually happening is tweets does not have anything actually stored in it. Why is that? And I think I know why. Let's see if that works. It just clicks the run, but... Okay, so no. Something's happening when retrieving the tweets. So... username, soup. Alright, so let's print tweets here. And let's comment this out, just for now. I clicked enter. Thank you. None. Okay, so there is something wrong here. So there has to be get this page dot tweets. It's probably because it's not finding that. So let's see. Let's print out tweets here. Because again, remember I had said I think that they had upgraded it from the tutorial. Because the tutorial was created, what year? So they might have improved on the HTML code. So it's probably like It's anywhere from like 3 years old to a couple months old, which can mean a lot. They're using Beautifulsoup 4.6. What is my Beautifulsoup? What version are they on? Let's see. Four 4.91. So this is a little old. So Beautifulsoup, the version that they're using is 4.6. So that's fine. I'll just have to figure out. I didn't want to type out Beautifulsoup. But it's kind of old. Yeah, 2017. Yep. So I'm pretty sure Twitter got a facelift recently. I don't know when, but I'm pretty sure they did it for this reason. So I just got to go in here and append this. That's why this wasn't happening here. No wonder. Yep. It's exactly what I expected. All right. Give me a second. I gotta run to the restroom, and then I'm gonna come back and figure this out. Because I'm more than sure I can get this figured out within the next, like, 30 minutes or so. So, give me a second. I will be right back. Hey, Ollie. Oh, hi, Milo. Sorry I neglected to tell you hi. Apparently, Milo doesn't like it when I don't tell him hi, and I tell Olive hi. Which, by the way, she's being needy. There she is, in the corner here. Hi, pretty girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. Alright, let's go take a look at the HTML for Twitter. Oh, sorry, Yogi. Didn't realize you were right under my feet there. Oh God, one of you farted. Olive, leave him alone. The poor cat just wants to freaking get down and roam around in peace without you trying to freaking clean him, okay? Damn dog. Okay, so I'm gonna have to identify them by span, I think. So let me change it to span and see what happens. Let's see. Let's see if it works now. Let's see if there's actually anything stored in the array that we just built, or the list. Or dictionary, I don't know which one it is right now. Which one it'll be. Okay, so there's nothing being found. Oh. What happens if I search this in Twitter? I don't know if that's going to bring up anything. Let me exit out of this. Olive. Quit it. Oh, jeez. Step away from your phone for like a couple of minutes and there's a whole bunch of people that message you. Okay. Anyways. Let's see what happens if I just paste that into there. Yeah, it still gives me the real Donald Trump, so it's not case sensitive. Or it shouldn't be case sensitive. Guys, I'm really trying to win this free car. It's a Mercedes C30, I think, with a 6-speed manual. I want it so bad. It's probably not going to work, but, you know, whatever. It is what it is. Alright, so I thought that would work. Y'all! Quit it. Just got sent a video of a cat and I don't want to quite open it up yet. Oh shoot. Anyways. What, you two? Are you guys trying to patronize your brother back there? Because I'm pretty sure you are. Okay, so I was going to look up this here. Tweet.find. So the .find, no, it wasn't there. Where did I put it? I have soup.find all. So let me look that up. What if I put span here too? I knew there were 2 places. I don't know. Wait, I'm always used to having to go to my browser to run my code, but anyways. Olive! Quit it! Leave him alone. Let's see. Let's see. Aw, damn. Okay, I tried. So. Alright. Let me take a look into this soup.findall. Find all. Okay. So, name. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Name, attributes, recursive string limit, and KW args. Find all method looks through a tag's descendants and retrieves all descendants. So I need the actual parent. I don't need, this is why you use the docs, guys, and you don't assume you know what you're doing. Because that would have taken me forever to figure out. I would have just sat here and be like, why the heck am I not? Anyways, so we're finding a div. And then in that div, we need to find a span. So we're going to say div here, because the span doesn't have any descendants. So what happens if I do that? Olive. What is this here? What kind of argument is that? No, Beautifulsoup. So okay. So let's take a look here. Y'all, don't you start. I don't like the way this pops out. Okay. Timeline. Donald J. Trump's tweets. Okay. Then you have div. Then you have this here. Okay, let's scroll here to where we can at least see 2 tweets. So that starts the new div. Okay. And then that's the next tweet, that's the next tweet, that's the next tweet. Oh. Can you get something by style? Or I think I can get it by, can you get it by ARIA label? Because, oh. Because if you scroll all the way down, yeah, see? So it used to be an LI, and I'm assuming they don't want people scraping Twitter anymore. So they went back and they refined their code to each div. Each div does not have an actual class, so you can't pull it. You see that? But in the div, that has a class. That has a class. Article. What the heck? Okay. We want this one. Then we don't want that, we want this. So then in this div class, we want this guy here. And we want this bud right here. Olive, yogurt, or Olive, whichever your name. Yes, I'm trying to scrape tweets. I'm trying to figure out what I actually can use to scrape it, because this is the span. But I'm using the .findAll from Beautifulsoup, which gets the elements descendants. So I guess if I do the elements descendants here, I guess that would work. But the thing is I have to identify it by the class. So can I do that in Beautifulsoup? Okay, I sure can. Oh, no. Oh, well, yes, I can. See, by CSS class. Okay. So class underscore. So let's go back here. We want the div, but we want class underscore assign. We're going to do a comma here just so nothing gets messed up. It's going to give us an error because we don't have everything in right now that we need it to. So this is what we're going to use here. So we're going to copy that. It's easy and well, I'm actually coming from JavaScript, so maybe I need to look this up in JavaScript. Oh shit. Okay, let me just Control X that, close that off again. Let's just paste that somewhere. I'll paste it in my restream chat. Just so I have it. Yeah, I'm doing a web scraper from... It's still giving me none. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright. So let's see. Does tweet data even work? Okay, so that's what's happening. Right? Shit. Okay. Because it's not hitting that loop there. So let's do tweet. Let's just see. If anything, I might have to go back to the drawing board. And if you're saying it's pretty easy with JavaScript, maybe I'll look it up to do JavaScript. It's just that what I'm trying to do is I already have data. I already have data in a CSV, right? So this is where we're sitting right now. But the problem with this is I got to clean the code. I got to clean up the data. So I got to clean this up. There's also things in here like this here, which are characters that can't be, like, it just can't handle. So that being said, what if I do this? What if I just select all of this? What if I go to REPL.it and just put in a REPL.it? Because why not? Excuse me. New REPL. It's going all right. I've ran into some errors right now. If I can talk, I can't really talk, but whatever. Basically, I'm trying to figure out how to scrape for the tweets. and get it right. Because I'm going to have to take a look into this too. Because what's happening is Twitter updated it from the whatchamacallit that I was using. The tutorial. So they updated it. Yeah, Twitter scraper. They updated it from the time that tutorial was used. So now I'm just trying to figure out what tags I need to use to, what is it? Get everything. Because soup.findAll gets the descendants of everything. So if I get the descendants of this class, I will get the span that contains the tweet. Because the tweet is contained in a span tag, which is here. And that's the direct descendant of the actual text, which this text is contained in a span. Can you target text? I don't think you can. Come on. Oh, okay. Python main.py real Donald Trump. Excuse me. Do I need to just do that? Oh, I need to do that so it can download the dependencies and all that. All right. Python main.py. And we're going to say real Donald Trump. Is it a capital P? No, it's a lowercase. Thank you, I appreciate it. PY, real Donald Trump. Alright, so it's looking like this isn't going to run in REPL. So let's go back to VS Code. So if we run that, first of all, let's take that out. Okay, let's go on and run it again. Don't forget to follow or subscribe as well if you want to stay around, because I go live every day. So that being said, feel free to stay around and come back whenever I'm live. I don't have like a set time that I'm doing this right now. I need to, but I don't right now. Alright, so technically this should work. I'm just not understanding why it's not working. So, hold on, get tweets data. What is this? Okay, so get tweets text, tweet.find, Let's see. .find Python. This is what happens when I don't understand things. I just go line by line, and if I'm like not 100% on how something works, I just go on and figure it out. So you have, I shouldn't say figure it out. I just bring up W3 and go from there. Oh my god. This is why I bought a new laptop, because shit like this happened. But I can't use it to stream. But whatever. I wonder if... No, I can't. I'm trying to find a way that I can make this not be weird and slow and all of that. I'm trying not to kill my laptop right now, y'all. Okay. Well. Alright, let me see if I can find a tutorial for something newer online. And see how they did it. Guys, I found a whole library that does this. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, I have a pillow behind me because this isn't actually a desk chair. This is like a just a chair. So I have some pillows behind me that I have to like prop up. But yeah. Anyways. Oh shit. Alright, so let's go on and clone this and then all of that good crap. I'm gonna do this off screen since I need to do a sudo install. Actually, I'm gonna just pull up command line. This computer is gonna be the death of me. Command prompt, whatever. Just open, dude. I don't care what you're actually called. It's what I need. Right. Oh shit. It opened up like 7 of them. Anyways, let's do this. Let's go back here. Let's bring up this. We're going to clone the repo first. Crap, I forgot. God damn it. No. Windows. Oh, wow. You can put it on a thumb drive. Good to know. Ay, ay, ay. Is everything alright on my Twitch? Because it's telling me that there was a network error. I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure. And now we wait, because it's gonna take freaking forever to do this. Yes, download. I don't think I even need to do this. Yeah, it might be able to be cloned in VS Code, but here I just realized I might not actually need to clone the repo, because this is Linux and Mac OS here, but I can install it with this. So is it compatible for Windows? I'm just taking a look. Let's just copy this and see if we can download it. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so while that's running in the background, and my computer just doesn't like me and wants to crash, let's figure out. Yo. Is it late? No, it's like 6 o'clock p.m. I'm in the US. Spooky vibe check. Ha! Where are you from, James? Oh. Colombiana. Colombia. My real weak Spanish accent. My last name is Sanchez. I'm Hispanic, but I never spoke Spanish when I was growing up, so I have a very white accent when I speak. Mi papá es mexicano y mi mamá es italiana. Puedo comprender más que hablar. Yeah, no. Y escribir y what's the other one? Leer. I couldn't remember what I was trying to say. Pero no hablar muy bien. Obviously. Oh, crap. Okay. So I appreciate it. I tried to use it. I used to live in Houston, which was very much a blended area, if you will. So we always had, especially where I was working, it was a really big hub for travelers, especially like the store I worked in. We were right next to a luxury store, Carolina Herrera, and it was very popular with the Hispanic community, as well as our jeans that we sold. What? Yogurt. So I kind of picked up more Spanish there. What? Y'all are getting antsy, huh? We're gonna have to take you OUT. But, okay. Okay, maybe not. Guys, if you want to be toxic, you can always build a Twitter bot to track your significant other's retweets and likes, and then just get on to them. I'm not telling you to do it, but I'm not telling you not to do it. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright, so it should be done installing? Yeah. Alright, cool. So let's go back into this and let's create a new one, a new file. And let's just call this, what is this actually, this library called? Let's say, new file, using Twitter scraper CSV. Because I'll export it to a CSV in the end. So let's import. How do you do it? This. That's what I need. So from Twitter scraper, import get tweets. When we do... Alright, for tweet and get tweets, okay. You can get personal information of a profile, like birthday, biography, and if it exists in public. Ow! What the hell? No, ma'am, you don't bite me. Quit it. You two, quit it. Quit it. Sorry, they're getting antsy because they need to go OUT. So. Yo. Okay. This is kind of cool though. Okay, it returns a dictionary for each tweet. Okay. But the thing is I need this to return for a specific... Stop! What the hell? Why do you keep, like, biting my arms? Or, like, trying to clean them? Huh? What? You weirdo? You weirdo? Weirdo? Anyways. This here. What is that? Query string. Okay, function get tweets, query string, return to dictionary. You can get tweets of profile or parse tweets from hashtags. Get tweaks takes tweaks. Get tweaks. Get tweak. You tweaker. Sorry, I'm sorry. Takes the username or hashtag on first parameter as string, and how much pages you want to scan on. Okay, so if I do this, if I do the notorious Donald Trump, I'm just going to close this out because I think I need to just start closing some of my tabs because my computer hates me right now. Let's go back to the PyPL. Let's do this. Let's copy this. What? And then let's take out the parameter page, and then instead of Twitter, we want real Donald Trump. Alright, now let's execute that and see what happens. Hey, Odin. Nothing, because my computer is trying to think. So. Yo! What the hell? Y'all are seeing this, aren't you? You're seeing this right now. Right? It's not just me. Wow. I found a library that literally does what I spent almost 3 hours trying to do. And I did it in 2 minutes. So, that's what you don't do, guys. Do your research. 'Cause yeah, that was, hella useful. Yeah. Yeah. So, let's go to Twitter and just make sure that these tweets are accurate, because, you know, you can't ever trust. I don't trust myself, and I don't trust my code all the time, so I just want to make sure that it's, accurate. Okay. So let's see. I don't think it is. President at real Donald Trump. I can't believe this. It's called Twitter Scraper, and it's version 0.4.2. If you want to use it yourself, I'll throw the command line install. It's literally just called Twitter Scraper. Scaper. Oh, Jesus. It's on pi.org. Wow. This is insane, guys. You're welcome. Anytime. I appreciate you sending me the tutorial, too. I couldn't quite get it to work because apparently that Twitter updated their UI, and because they updated their UI, their HTML got updated too. So it's not laid out like it used to be anymore. But, yeah. So, let me write this to a CSV, and I think we're done. Which I think I know I need to import. Actually, because I'm OCD, we're going to import first. Import CSV. And I'm just going to already preemptively... Actually, let me just move this off screen. Okay, I moved it off screen. what I'm going to do copy. All right. Let's see. Nope. Tap. Okay. So let me go to the docs for CSV because I've never really used CSV before. CSV docs. So I want to write. Okay, CSV.write. Return a writer object responsible for converting the user's data into delimited strings. Okay. Okay, how does the syntax go? As F would be as a file, I guess. Okay. New line. Okay, first of all, we're printing it, so let's do this. Let's create a new list of tweets. Assign list. And then we're going to say tweets. Assign tweet text. We're going to then write to the CSV file. And then we're going to say Donald Trump tweets. Then we're going to go CSV file writer F. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to close that one out. I doubt that this is going to work, but let's just run it. Let's go all the way back down to where we just ran our code. Hi, Odin. I love you. So let's see. Oh, tweets is not defined. Okay. Well, we don't need the ID and created at, so let's just go on and do that. We're going to write tweets. Hi, Odin. He's sitting on the pillow behind me. Okay, so now let's do that. It's going to take it a second. I should have known it was going to throw an error. I didn't really look that close at it. Yo. Huh. What the fuck? Flyover hat toss. Assign. Celebration. Hashtag go army. Okay. So I see what's happening. Can I go print tweets? And then let's just comment this out right here. And let's run the code now. I need a counter. Yeah, that's what happens. I need a counter. How do I do this? Hold on. Let's see. So because I'm using a for in right now. So I don't need the enumerate. Could I say tweets at position tweet? Assign tweet text? I don't know. I'm sure that's wrong. Yeah. I'm just gonna have this as a counter. Initialize it here. Oh wait, we had a conversation about this yesterday. Index out of range. How is it out of range? Okay, well, fine. Hold on, I'm more than sure I have. Alright, can't go up much further than that. Nope, don't have anything in there. Alright, tweet list. Okay. Assign new list. Append. So let's do dot append. I think that might work now. What do you guys think? Yo, okay, we did it. All right, so let me just look up a quick write to a CSV tutorial or whatever. All right. Um, okay, let's see. Writing CSV files in Python. Geeks for geeks. All right. Write row. This method writes a single row at a time. Field row can be used, okay. Write rows, multiple rows at a time. This can be used to write rows list. Okay. So it's an array. Okay. File name CSV. CSV writer CSV file. Alright, let's do as CSV instead of an F. I don't know what F is, so let's not use it since we don't know what it is. So let's write it as a CSV. CSV writer, CSV file. Then the next thing is going to be write row, which should be text, which is, or well, fields, which is this there, and then rows. So now that should work. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna comment this out so we don't see that when we run our code because we don't want to be annoyed with it. Let's go from here. Let's see what it outputs. It should do what I need it to do. Theoretically, it should. Theoretically. But, you know. Theoretically and realistically, you never know. Okay, so it's giving me the same error because there's encoded tweets in here in HTML. So this gives me the same error as my make CSV tweets. Because there's certain characters in here that it can't understand. So let's try to find a way to overwrite that. CSV overwrite encoded. Let's see. Alright, so caused by no byte sequence of UTF-8 endpoint that can be visualized. That makes sense. These are two of UTF, more specifically. The first one, EDO, high surrogate. The other one's low surrogate. Together they form a UCS surrogate. Now the surrogate characters, we can reverse the surrogate pair calculation. Whoa. Okay. So let's see. Let's go into this one here. So it's XE. So these are the hex. Okay. Right? Or, yeah, hex. Yep. Cool. Alright. If you look up these byte sequence, UTF-8 encode. Open link a new tab. Haha. I want it in English, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna save this because this is going to be important. Eventually. I don't know if I'm actually gonna be using it right now, but let's see. However, want to try a tool manually to try to find the encoding of some characters, you can use this website. You can enter some text specifying the encoding, transform it into another coding, and see what the characters it maps to. Got it. Well, we're not going to be doing that because I want a simple fix. Sorry. I can just remove all of them. I just want to remove all the characters it can't encode. Choose. So let me just do this. CSV UTF-8 encoding. No, I don't want to save it as that. I want to do it in Python. Okay, this should fix it then. That should work. And then they said import Unicode CSV as CSV. Yep, it's working now in the background. Copy that, perfect. That's working, so let's put the import statement there. Let's run this code and see if it still gives us an error. Oh, jeez. Alright, after this, I think I'm going to head off. Or whatever. Nope, okay. File text. Oh, in write, return self.binary write string encode self-encoding self-errors. Type error write argument must be string, not bytes. Okay. Line 15. Okay. Line 28. Line 13. Okay, so line 13. What happens if I comment it out? Oh. Really, Olive? You really want a belly rub? Like, right now, right now? I'm a weirdo. What? Did you need a kiss? Need some lovin'? Alright, so these have to be strings, not bytes. Why? Can I cast them to a string? Can I do that in Python? Ugh. So let's do this. And we're going to say tweets here instead of this. Try it, see if it works. Hi, Milo. We're not starting that. And Milo, your brother's sitting in your chair right now. So, it's actually his. Excuse me. So, it's not doing it because list object has no attribute decode. So, instead of feeding it in right here, or appending it as such, let's do it like this. Let's say tweet assign tweet position text 8 dot decode. Will that work? Probably not. Okay. So, can I just do tweet.decode? Hey! Oh my god. They're pissing me off. Okay. Not really, but god. Yogurt, olive. Let's see. Did that work? Will that work? Okay, now you're telling me it's a string, but when I try to freaking do it here, it's not a damn string. You're telling me it's a byte. So, does a list get a... Okay. Shut up. So let's do a for loop in here. For tweet in tweets. Let's go like this because apparently it's a string in there, so let's write each one in there as a loop, even though that's going to freaking crash our code. Olive! Sorry, guys. Olive, yogurt! Quit it. Sorry. Let's see. They're getting rambunctious and antsy because it's about the time for a WA, okay? I can't say the word. Y'all are seeing the same shit I am, aren't you? It just told me that this here was a string, but then when you access it down here, it's not. Okay, this is really frustrating. What the hell? Because I accidentally left the S on there. Let's try it one more time. Let's see if that works. I doubt it will. Shut up. Shut up. They don't want to play with you. Hey, they don't want to play with you. You don't play it. I don't care. Don't backtalk me. You hear? You hear? Oh my God. Can you check a type of something in Python? Okay, so you can. I was pretty sure you could, but let's comment that out. Let's do this. Type tweets. Milo, watch out. So let's run it now. Olive, quit it. Hi, yogurt. Yogurt! What the hell? Oh! Okay. Nope. I forgot we're checking the type. I was like, yay, it ran with no errors. And then I realized it didn't. Quit it. Stop. No! Oh my God. No! Oh my God! Stop it, you two. Oh my God. They stress me out. Go to your happy place, Kiska. It's a class list. Let's say at position 0. Oh, y'all, leave him alone. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. I gotta yell at him. Okay, so maybe what I need to do, because it's saying that type tweets at position 0 is a string. So we have strings in the argument. So the thing is, or we have strings in the list. So what I'm thinking, okay, I think I might have to end it here tonight, y'all, because I gotta take them out, and then I also have a couple of things I need to do, and then, yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna take a further look into this later. I need to take a step away from it for a second, and then I'll come back to it. I might not come back to it today, but this is promising because tweets at position 0 is a string. So we know that it is a string. Hey, I'm actually just getting ready to hop off. I found a way to do what I needed everything to do, or what I needed to do in like not even half, like a quarter of the lines of code that I needed. So I scraped all the tweets. This is those 4 lines right there are me scraping several dozen tweets from Trump's Twitter page. How did it go? And then I'm trying to write to a CSV, but I was having the issue with some characters being UTF-8 encoded. So I went ahead and used Unicode CSV. And now I'm getting the error that I can't pass in bytes. I can't write bytes here and here. Those are the 2 errors that it's giving me. So I need to go on and take a look further into it. No one chatted to me. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, let me follow you on Twitch, and next time you're live, I'll try to hop in at least once or twice. If you have somebody in your household, like, I've been kind of looking up how to get better on Twitch, just for fun, and just because I like to watch YouTube videos for no reason, and I figured if I like to watch YouTube videos, I might as well try to watch ones that are helpful for what I'm doing. So one thing that they said, if you have anybody in your household, to make them a Twitch account and just have one person in the chat. And just have one person in there watching for you. They don't even have to watch, like, just keep it up. Maybe even if you have a different laptop, make your own, like, kind of ghost Twitch account and have one person in there. And if you have one person in there, it kind of gives you, like, a little bit of credibility, like, oh, somebody's watching, so why not? Why don't I hop in and watch? And there you go. And then it kind of builds and builds. Also, try promoting yourself on social media. And, like, any, like, Reddit is even a good thing. I've been thinking about promoting myself on Reddit, but for me personally, I'm promoting myself in Profit with JavaScript, Profit with Python, both the Slack channel and the Facebook page. So that's 4 outlets already. I'm promoting myself on my own Facebook page, my own Facebook profile, my Facebook page. I have 2 other Slack channels I'm in, and I promote myself there. I promote myself on Discord because I'm in a group on Discord. Where else do I promote myself? I promote myself on my Instagram. And I think that's about it. If you have a Twitter and you have a big following on Twitter, promote yourself on Twitter as well. But that's kind of what I've been doing, and I've had some success. I was lucky enough 2 days ago to get rated by somebody with like 20 viewings and 20 followers, and yeah, that was pretty cool. That was pretty dope. I hope that would try. I feel that this is like a really good way for me to do it, because I get to ask questions to other people. People get to talk to me, and then not only do people get to talk to me, like they pass on their own information, and it's pretty cool. So it's a pretty nice way of doing things. What if it was that? I doubt it was, but what if it was? Oh, and my camera died. Well, I'll put my... Oh, well, shit. I don't have a third battery, so I apologize, at least over here. I'm getting ready to log off anyways for the night. So, let's see. Nope. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop off. I gotta go walk these dogs, because, yeah, they're getting on my nerves. And they're only getting on my nerves because they need to go OUT. So, yeah. I appreciate everybody that stayed here. I appreciate the information that people passed along today. If y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact me. If not, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or like button or follow or wherever you're from. And yeah, I appreciate everything, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Oh, I was motivation for you to start streaming. Oh, that means so much. That honestly does. That means a lot. Like, my whole thing starting this was just to be able to motivate myself and hold myself accountable for the 100 days of code. But if I can help out, like, I knew another side effect of that was I was going to be able to help people out and motivate people, or if not motivate, at least just teach people, if that makes sense. And yeah, so I appreciate it. I'm glad I at least helped somebody. That's my whole goal. I'm like, as long as I help one person, I'm okay. So I appreciate it. It means a lot. It really does. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna hop off and just end my live here and my stream here. But everybody, have a great night, morning, evening, wherever you are. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And I will update you guys to see if I get this sorted out. But I might even hop on real late at night and try to figure out, because I know this is going to keep me up at night if I don't figure it out. But anyways, look out for maybe a midnight streaming session for me. Maybe, not 100% sure. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. You guys have a great night. And yeah, bye y'all. Thank you for stopping by.